Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for Smash That Small Pad. This is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and with Stampin' Cat on Instagram. And each month we smash a pad. And please forgive my voice. I've been sick, but I am feeling much better. I just don't know that I sound great. This month, what I decided to do is a little different. You're going to see me do this in a couple of different videos on different stuff because I am approaching everything like my clear it out challenge. If I just want it gone, I need to figure out how to chop it up and make it go. So I had Wish Upon a Star in 6x6. I also had the 12x12 and a lot of other stuff. Zelda is climbing the wall next to me and shopping the shelves. So we might have to get down, honey. Yeah. It's a lot to have the cats helping me. As I go through to move them along, I'm trying to figure out how will these get used because I'm not going on 5 Disney vacations. So I have a few right here that I know that Eileen, who is a member of my channel here, she will take the Disney stuff. So I gave her these. Now let me show you why I gave her those. I went through and I made card bases. If you've been with me for a while, you've heard me talk about making cards for school office staff. And we make a giant batch of them and we're already starting for the spring because it really takes a long time to make 80-something cards, prep all the envelopes, make the card bases, all that stuff. So I went through and I made card bases. Well, I made card fronts that are not Disney-ish. They're bright colors. Imagine these decorated with school buses and inspirational quotes about reading and school is great. I mean, look at the colors that way. They're going to be amazing. And there's nothing Disney here. I took all the me and the mouse and that kind of thing and used it on the back and did whatever I could to just get rid of it. See, there's some. And I had a couple of paper saving things. Oh, here's one I want to show you. I think if you watch some other channels, you might have seen some stuff like this, and I've done it, but it just depends on how much you want to save your paper. This is the part of the paper that has the punch, and I didn't trim those off at all. I used a ton of them. So I wanted this star paper, and I was piecing together a section of it. So this is 2 scraps, one of them with the hole in the middle, and then I went end to end so you don't see the seam. You can also cover the seam with washi tape. I just didn't really have washi that I thought was like amazing for this. So you'll see on the backs are very Disney. And again, you're going to see a lot of those hole punches because I was trying to make that paper go as far as I possibly could. If you have a paper that you don't want to make scraps and you're just trying to smash it, or you love it so much that you want to make every single piece count, then really think about not cutting those strips off. If it's in Echo Park, the pattern goes all the way up above the hole, so you can still use this. There's no branding strip on each one of these 6x6. I'm going to take all of these to the people at work, and they will get to decorate them for the school office staff, and they'll just go into the pile. And I didn't count them. I think it's over 20. A few more Disney-ish scraps, and I'll probably put those in with Eileen's stuff. Smashed, done. I will not buy a whole bunch more of this Disney stuff, but quite honestly, I got most of it at Tuesday morning. So I didn't pay a lot for it, but I don't know what I thought I was going to do with all of this Disney stuff. All right, be sure to check out what Beth and Kathy made this month and come back again soon. I think my next video might be Smash Our Stash, but there might be something in between. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.